If you've recently come across Glyco Restore, you've probably seen advertisements claiming that it's a natural solution for blood sugar support. The supplement contains plant-based ingredients like berberine, gymnema, cinnamon, and bittermelon, which are commonly used in many blood sugar support supplements. While some of these ingredients have been studied for their potential health benefits, it's important to separate realistic expectations from marketing hype before making a purchase. One of the biggest concerns is the bold claim that Glyco Restore is better than Ozempic. This is a major red flag because Ozempic is a prescription medication that has gone through extensive clinical testing and regulatory review for treating type 2 diabetes. Glyco Restore is simply a dietary supplement, and there are no published clinical studies showing that it works as well as or better than Ozempic for controlling blood sugar, reducing HbA1c, or promoting weight loss. Without scientific evidence directly comparing the two, these claims are misleading and can create unrealistic expectations. Another issue is the growing number of online discussions from consumers who say they experienced little or no improvement after using the product. Some people have also reported difficulties getting the refunds they were promised. In addition, many of the advertisements promoting Glyco Restore appear to use AI-generated videos or deepfakes of well-known celebrities without their permission, making it seem as though these public figures endorse the product when they actually do not. While individual reviews don't prove whether a product works or doesn't work, repeated complaints about misleading advertising and refund problems should definitely make buyers think twice. The product's website also raises concerns by displaying trust badges like FDA approved, GMP certified, and GMO free. At first glance, these badges may make the supplement appear officially approved or medically proven. However, the disclaimer at the bottom of the page clearly states that the product has not been evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This contradiction can easily confuse consumers and give a stronger impression of credibility than the evidence actually supports. It's also important to remember that no over-the-counter blood sugar supplement can legally claim to cure, treat, or reverse diabetes. According to the US FDA, products making those kinds of promises are considered illegal health fraud. While some natural ingredients may offer modest support as part of a healthy lifestyle, they are not replacements for prescribed medications, medical advice, or proper diabetes management. Unfortunately, the supplement industry is filled with products that rely on exaggerated claims, aggressive marketing, and deceptive pricing strategies. So, is Glyco Restore a legitimate product or a scam? Based on the available information, it may not be a 100% scam because it does contain commonly used herbal ingredients. However, the unrealistic marketing claims, questionable advertising methods, conflicting trust signals, and customer complaints raise serious concerns. If you're considering buying it, it's best to be cautious, verify every claim independently, and speak with your healthcare provider before relying on any supplement for managing your blood sugar.